It's on record. Drive this fucking thing.
So narrate. Narrate.
Here's the road Jack forgot to drive on. See, it's relatively smooth. No fucking big muffler ripping culverts. If you look off in the distance, it's just absolutely stunning. I'll come over this way. There's Jack looking out where he should have been driving the other day. A little bit bumpy, but it's not bad, eh, Jack?
No, it's not bad for a fucking hillbilly road. But is this the hillbilly road? This is the hillbilly road.
Okay.
This is the one coming up over the ridge. I don't think Cam's car would have made it. He might have made it to that intersection, but get up to the hydro line. We left the girls
There's a hydro line
up on a couple lakes, so we're gonna climb up around this ridge. Looks like it was clear cut maybe last year. There is some bits of trees coming up. That's Macaulay Lake. Lake trouts and brook trout up in there. We're going up into the highest part of Algonquin. The highest elevations.
It's pretty thick in here. The road's a bit bumpy.
We're climbing straight up. And this road, believe it or not, is about 100 times smoother than the one we came in originally, but we couldn't find this road.
Where's that?
The colors are spectacular.
Look at this fucking vista. It's fucking insane back here. Lower up, man.
I see the canoe popped off.
Yeah, that's on a weird angle. There's all hydro towers coming up here.
I'm trying to get back before the girls wake up. I don't want them to freak out that they're in the woods. They about shit their pants all night from leaves falling on a tarp. Thought there was a bear sniffing them to see what they tasted like.
Yeah.
This road's not too bad, but obviously it's only for
Oh man.
ATVs.
Oh fuck. This thing here is incredible. Fuck. That big swath cut out of there, eh?
The colors are incredible. We're probably premium, and apparently forecast is 20s, pure sun, no friggin' wind at all. Tons of creeks. It's pretty cool, man.
I shut her off.
Just push.
Another creek, eh? Off this side.
This is Crevice Lake. It's a series of, the whole area is called the Moonbeam Lakes. I think the ministry stocks, but it's strictly brookies up here.
Oh boy.
Looks like another beautiful campsite right there.
Yep.
That actually looks like a nicer one than we're at. So there's 2 campsites to come to. See the colors,
Look at
they're
that.
just spectacular.
Where's that big fucking rut?
There's a few ruts up in here that we're on basically we're on an ATV trail, so it's not really bad, I don't think.
Yeah, that's the one. That wasn't even the one. There's a bigger one than that. Jack driving his truck.
Down into those. That's it. Shut it down.
Yet again, I can't get out of the truck.
Show them our heated cabin, Cammy.
There's the canoe we had to go fetch. There's Wendy sitting back there.
I haven't died.
She has got no bear marks on her. There's Wendy and Merritt's tent that apparently had Sasquatches attacking it all night. There's our food stock that never got eaten. And there's a little thing that Jack and I spent a weekend rigging up. It's beautiful. It just is perfect as can be. And here's this little trail here. It leads to the morning stone, we call it. Gorgeous. Just watch your step. Get on this nice little thing where we're gonna have a boat launch here. We're gonna boat launch. We can load the boat from here. It goes up to the truck. And if you pan out on this lake, it's fucking nuts. It's beautiful. There it is. Calm as shit. Now, I'm not sure if you can hear, but this place echoes. Woo! Done deal. Record. There we go. There's Wendy and Jack. There's the sunset over there. There's a little ripple. There's my rod in there. Not bending.
Remember that?
Look how calm that water is. You can see the reflection like a mirror. It's pretty insane, eh? Crystal clear skies.
What's the date today? 29th of September.
Too late. Did he stop?
Oop, sorry. Did I stop what?
Take a picture of your tackle box. How much tackle you got?
There's part of our arsenal.
That's a serious fisherman.
And here's an arse hole.
Is he pointed at me?
Good night. Cut.
Nice.
Cut.
And that.
And this ends our broad chart on it.
There it goes.
Okay, so it's recording.
I think it says record. Yeah. I think I just came through a fucking shithole. This smell like methane gas.
Oh yeah. Colors are amazing. I don't know what this lake's called. I think this is actually an unnamed lake.
But it's, you see a very big
Oh, it looks like she's opening up.
we're a Mercy Lily Pond fucking crap shit. And if you roll the camera around this way without dropping it into the water, that's what it opens up into.
Oh fuck, you ain't even seen the opening up. This fucking's bigger than the lake we came from.
You think so?
Oh yeah. Oh fuck, this is decent, man. Okay, this ain't a pond, man. This is a lake.
There's lots of lily pond shit.
Look at the colors, man. God, it's gorgeous, man. Oh, this is all right, Ken. Oh fuck, we're already deep. Okay.
There's where it's going.
Rookies ain't got a chance in here, man. Okay, here we go. We're deep, man. I'm setting lures up.
There you go. So I'm gonna turn this off.
Yep. Tag her up. Oh fuck, Ken. You didn't want to do this. You on movie?
It's red record, right?
Yeah. Don't do too many movies, you might run out of card. Take some stills too. I can put stills in the movie.
Yeah, now we're up in that lake. There's Mr. Jack paddling up along the shore here
Trolling.
with micro fucking grubbies.
There's a lunker in here. I'm getting it. Peace out.
And off.
This. Why didn't you keep going? Oh God, he's gonna get a panoramic of us. Oh, jeez.
Good. Ooh, fuck, let's see. Nice one, nice one. Keep it down in the boat. Don't lift it.
There you go.
Beauty, beauty, beauty. Nice little specky. Okay, Cam, say hello, Cornelius. Look at that crescent moon. Did you see it?
Yeah, cool, eh?
Yeah.
Quarter moon.
But the stars have been awesome.
Quarter moon out there.
Anyway,
Imagine if it was a full moon.
hope everybody's enjoyed themselves. Got to pack up and leave tomorrow. Too bad, not bad.
Nope.
Decent amount of trout too.
Where?
It's right there. Moon's over there. See? There's the moon.
Yeah.
Haven't
Quarter
seen it.
moon.
Quarter moon.
Cool.
Loving the wood stove in the camp. Just gorgeous, man.
Good pick. Another year we made
Peace
it.
out. One more year.
Record. There we go. There's Wendy and Jack. There's the sunset over there. There's a little ripple. There's my rod in there. Not bending.
Remember that?
Look how calm that water is. You can see the reflection like a mirror. It's pretty insane, eh? Crystal clear skies.
What's the date today? 29th of September.
Too late. Did he stop?
Oop, sorry. Did I stop what?
Take a picture of your tackle box. How much tackle you got in?
This is part of our arsenal.
That's a serious fisherman.
And here's an arse hole.
Is he pointing at me?
Good night. Cut.
Nice.
Cut.
And that.
And this ends our broad.